Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today I bring you a latest smartphone model from Poco, and this time we have the Poco F5 5G connected with very based on local operation capabilities. So this is the latest 5G smartphone from Poco F5, and this time we have the Poco F5 White Edition, and this time to provide two colors. This one is white, and I really like white because the back panel, the back panel is really special. It's like the snowstorm. Yeah, we can check later. And the RAM and ROM 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. So okay, next I'm going to unbox it and talk on the specification about this device. Okay, and whoa, here after we open the books. Okay, another small package. Okay, and then smartphone is here. So before we go to these books, and we will check this first. So here is the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin. And here inside these books, we will got okay, here is the safety instruction. Whoa, so this time I think the changer is the whole paper, not like a book but like a poster. So whole paper, the safety instruction. So this is a difference. And also here the Poco F5 quick start guide, also not a book, it's just like it's a whole paper. So I think maybe this is much easier for them to be more cost effective. Maybe the if they designed it like a book, it's more expensive, and also here it's much easier and to control the SKU, and also give the massive production order for the suppliers. Here the warranty card, but this time for warranty card it's not like just a card, it's like a totally a book, different languages, English, French, Italian, so different languages for the warranty card. So I think maybe this warranty card can be used widely, no need to add another SKU. And also here the last stuff inside this is okay, a transparent soft case for the Poco F5. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside these books. Let's put it aside, and then let's go to this box. So here is smartphone, and under the smartphone is here is the charger. So this is the 67-watt fast charger, and also here is the cable. It's a Type-C to USB cable. Yep. So the Poco is a Xiaomi sub-brand, and it focuses on the India market, and they provide a lot of cost-effective product. And here finally the phone is here, and it's in the back. And before we take it out, we can find that the Poco F5, they list 4 main features about device on their soft plastic bag. First is the flagship Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 2 processor. It's advanced 4nm processor with 5G. The second is the screen, 6.67-inch AMOLED dot display and 120Hz refresh rate. And also here is a Dolby Atmos dual speaker. And the third is the 67-watt tempo charging with 5000 big batteries. And the last is the 64 megapixel main camera and work with the OIS supported ultra wide angle macro lens. So I think these four main features are the most cared pinpoint for the users that really want to buy the cost-effective product. I would say they did a very good job on this to show and to attract the users to buy it. So here, okay, it's the phone. Let's take it out from the software bag. Whoa! So this is the white edition, and as I mentioned, the back panel is so unique. It's like a sandstorm reflection. 5G Poco is a Poco logo. 5G words, and this can reflect different results from different angles. It's really nice, very cool. And I think this is a global edition. I think in China, Xiaomi use another model. It's the Redmi Note 12 Pro, 12 Tempo. Yeah. So here is the camera, triple rear camera system with dual LED light and 64 megapixel main camera, and also the framework is same color like the back panel. Looks so balanced. But one thing I think I should mention is, though it looks very similar to the back panel color, but the feelings are totally different compared to the mental material. I think it's a plastic. They printing something and it looks like a mental, but actually it's a plastic material. And when we go to the front and the wake up screen, we can find that it's a very small dot at the top of the screen. Is a punch hole camera, and the screen is full display screen, and the four side bezels are very narrow. Yeah. Okay, here we can go to settings to check the information about this device. Here, this time they use the MIUI based on the Android setting and device name, model name, and also this time we go the 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. It support LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, and the Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 2 processor is enhanced a lot on the totally efficient performance, improved 50, and the energy consumption also saved 13%. And also this phone can support AI, so it's also a very nice device. The AI here, Poco community, YouTube, yeah, a lot of apps we can got. Here we can have a reasonable test on the camera. Okay, so this is the one time, wide angle, 2 times, 10 times, front camera. Okay, so here I will put the images, sample images at the end of the video. So this is about the I think this is about the main specification about this device. And yeah, the last thing I think I forget is the camera. This time the main camera is 64 megapixel and wide angle 8 megapixel. The front one is 13 megapixel, and also it support I think it supports the side fingerprint. Check it. Security status. And here, password security, you can find you support face unlock, fingerprint here. So side fingerprint here. Yeah. And also this time, we also have a Dolby Atmos dual speaker and Charge C Type-C charging dock. Keep the 3.5mm headphone jacket, and it also supports the in-framed remote controller. Okay, so this is the basic specification about this device from Poco F5. So thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks. Bye bye.